how to update NanoBanana.AI. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process on how you can update the NanoBanana.AI. So let's get started. First things first, open up your phone. Here I'm going to use the Chrome. You can use any preferred browser that you like. Once you're inside it, simply tap on the search bar right over here and type NanoBanana.AI. It's already have shown their website. Let's go inside it. Once you are on the website, make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, when it comes to updating the NanoBanana.ai, you don't need to manually install the updates like the app. NanoBanana.ai is a web-based platform, which means all the new updates are applied automatically on the website. So whenever you logged in, you are already using the latest version. If you feel like you are not seeing the latest features of the updates, here are the few things that you can do. The first thing is you can refresh the page or clear your browser cache. For that, try logging in and login back in. If the problem continues, open the website in the different browser. You can use, as we used the Chrome previously, you can use Edge, Brave, and anything that prefer to be testing this out. In some cases, the update might be rolling out gradually, so you may need to wait a little while until it's available for all the users. So that's it. That's how the updates work in NanoBanana.ai. You don't need to install anything. Just keep using the website and you will always have the latest version. I hope this video helped. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.